What's up everyone, West Coast Picks here, and today we're going to pick on this secure waterproof padlock, 40mm laminate padlock. I got it on my lunch break today for something to do, kill some time. Needless to say, it didn't kill much time. Let's find a good tension spot here. It's just a 4-pin. It's got kind of an extreme bitting. High low, high low. Oops. Get that some other time. There we go. So even though the bidding, here's the other one, even though the bidding's high low, you know, it makes it a little harder to get in there, but not really. That is the secure 40mm laminate padlock from Dollarama. It was $2.50. They got these all day long. You guys want to find a lock to practice on? This one's pretty good. It's 4-pin, $2.50. You can't really go wrong. You can go and choose your biddings. Go start with an easier one, work your way to a hard one, whatever you want. No security pins in these, but perfect for starters. Remember, it's heavy duty, guys. Anyway, take it easy and don't break any laws.